Welcome to Pro Level YouTube channel. Here you will get information about new technology, gadgets, inventions, machines, and etc. So subscribe to us and press the bell icon to get upcoming video notifications.
Some drafts are hard to find, others are quite a bit more obvious. If you can see light, well then you've got air going in and out of your home. Let's put a stop to this. We'll weather seal this door. Now, there are many different kinds of door sweeps. Some will require fasteners, some will slide onto the door, and some are adhesive like this one. But they all do the same job, and that is to keep air from moving outside in and inside out. By the way, it'll also keep critters out if you place it just right. So we want to make sure that when we place it, that the bottom of the sweep contacts the top of the sill. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to seal between the door and the door stop, and there are a lot of products you can use for that. There's a foam product and even better yet, a rubber product. Both of these are adhesive. You just cut them to length and install them. They'll do the job. But better yet, when I removed the old material here that was damaged, we found these factory installed grooves. So I'm going to replace it with exactly the same kind. Now you can get this at any home improvement center. There's two different types. One is installed along the strike and top, and the other is installed along the hinge. Very easy to install. You want to cut them carefully to length so there are no gaps, and then they just slide right into these grooves. Another nice thing about these is that these are actually magnetic, and with our steel door, that's going to make a great seal between the steel and the magnet. So our door is sealed. We didn't have to break the bank or spend too much time at it either. So what are you waiting for? Weather seal your doors and make your home more comfortable and efficient.
guys, thanks for watching the video. If you love this video, then please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to us to watch more interesting upcoming videos. Your beautiful comments inspire us to spend more time to make more amazing videos for you. Bye-bye.